Sick of hearing just read more? That's true, but you want something more specific, right? So in this video, I'll give you one clear approach that will significantly improve your reading fluency. Without further ado, let's get into today's topic. Why is it so hard to read Korean fluently without stopping? Is it because of the words you don't know or the grammar you don't know? That's also true, but other than those two cases, there is another major factor. So, what is it? It's that English and Korean follow strikingly different word orders. In particular, the position of modifiers is almost the exact opposite. The Korean word order is so unfamiliar that English speakers often hit the wall when reading Korean. They pause, backtrack, and lose fluency. So getting used to the Korean word order is the key element to becoming more fluent when reading. But how? I'll tell you one of the fastest ways to get used to it. In English, speakers usually bring up the core information first and then add the background. For example, the book my friend gave me. If you draw it as a diagram, it looks something like this. Core to background. But in Korean, it's the reverse. Speakers first build up all the background information and only at the very end do they reveal the core idea. For example, 친구가 준 책. If you draw it as a diagram, it looks something like this. Background to core. So here's the conclusion. If you want to read Korean fluently without stopping, you need to train your brain to sketch the background information first and then put the core information at the end. And to help you really get the feel of this, let's try a few practice examples together. Here, focus on feeling the background to core flow clearly. 도서관에서 빌린 책. 친구가 찍은 사진. 회의에서 상사가 강조했던 포인트. 동생이 만든 케이크가 정말 맛있었어요. 어제 친구랑 같이 본 영화가 정말 재미있었어요. 어제 아침에 지하철에서 잃어버린 가방을 경찰서에서 찾았어요. Now you're starting to get the hang of how to practice the Korean word order, right? Great! So here's today's key takeaway. Train yourself to describe the background first and then place the core information at the end. This is how Korean structures information. If you found this video helpful, you'll definitely find this next one useful too. Thanks for watching all the way through and have a wonderful day.